Esperanza Emily Spalding, born 1984, is an American jazz bassist, singer, songwriter, and composer. Born and raised in Portland, Oregon, to an African American father and a mother of Welsh, Native American, and Hispanic descent. She was raised in the King neighborhood of Northeast Portland, which at the time was known for gang violence. Her mother raised Esperanza and her brother as a single parent. Her accolades include 4 Grammy Awards, a Boston Music Award, and a Soul Train Music Award. Spalding began playing music professionally in her childhood, performing as a violinist in the Chamber Music Society of Oregon at age 5. She was later both self-taught and trained on a number of instruments, including guitar and bass. Her proficiency earned her academic scholarships to Portland State University and Berklee College of Music in Boston, both of which she attended studying music. In addition to writing and performing music, Spalding has also worked as an instructor, first at the Berklee College of Music, beginning at age 20, the youngest instructor at the university. In 1917, Spalding was appointed professor of the practice of music at Harvard University. In 2018, Spalding received an honorary doctorate of music from her alma mater, Berklee College of Music, and served as commencement speaker at the ceremony. Spalding released her first album, Junjo, in 2006, City of Roses, winning the Best Arrangement, Instrument, and Vocals. Here are the lyrics of Esperanza Spalding's song, City of Roses, in celebration of Spalding's hometown of Portland, Oregon. In the City of Roses, streets lined with red brick and green branches, weren't rainy days that might seem bleak. Our rain is the paint that makes the lush land and the folks unique. City parks, wild berries, and old bridges. A rolling river brings goods from the sea. A mountain hooded in snow, silently watching over me. And everywhere I go, these words are with me, and I find I take along a little piece of heaven with these memories of mine. From the City of Roses, down along the river, weekend market. On sunny Saturdays, the waterfront comes alive. The street vendors and hippies, they keep all the people you could wish for or imagine. From the in the city center, musicians' husbands, to make sure that there's a thriving jazz scene. And everywhere I go, these words are with me, and I find I take along a little piece of heaven with these memories of mine. Everywhere I go, these words are with me. Yeah, and I find wherever I may travel, I take with me the memories of mine. From the City of Roses, everywhere I go, these words are with me, and I find I take along a little piece of heaven with these memories of mine. Esperanza Spalding, A City of Roses.